For this, we'll open our Roblox profile in a tab, then open another new tab, type in RoPro extension, click on RoPro extension, and then install this add-on to your browser. After that, you'll see that this extension has been added to your browser. Go back to your Roblox profile tab. You'll see a RoPro extension at the top right corner. Click on it. You'll see this page popped up. You'll see a space to add your Discord profile link. We'll go to our Discord and copy our Discord profile, then paste it here and click on Save button. After that, go back to your Roblox profile, then reload the page or click on Profile button. You'll see that your Discord has been added to your profile on Roblox. That's how you can do it. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.